Hey guys, this is DESHANTA B, and I'm just coming on for a quick minute to give you a quick snippet of a new recipe that I'm working on. These are going to be deep fried mustard style chicken legs. These chicken legs have been cleaned and are now marinating in the seasonings and the mustard. And quickly, the ingredients that I used are the Jane's Crazy mixed up pepper seasoning. I seasoned the chicken with my rib rack chicken spice rub. I use regular mustard. And because these chicken legs are going to be wet and dry, I have my red duck sweet mustard peppercorn barbecue sauce. So guys, I just wanted you to see what I'm working on. I'll be back. I'll post a picture or a video of the final results. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. It's deep fried mustard style chicken legs, baby. And stop playing. And until next time, I'll be back.